Marie, this idea that Travis and Gregory are the victims here, I want you to address that, but also think about this. One of the big revelations from this bond hearing is that it was revealed that Gregory McMichael, who used to be an investigator for the DA's office, he called his former boss, DA Jackie Johnson, and left a voicemail at the crime scene saying, Jackie, this is Greg. Could you call me as soon as you possibly can? I've been involved in a shooting and I need some advice right now. Could you please call me as soon as you possibly can? Thanks. Bye. Prosecutors said this is him trying to obstruct justice, trying to get favorable treatment, trying to get out of the predicament he found himself in. So the idea that the McMichaels are innocent parties who were caught up in just a tragedy, what do you think about that?
Well, I think the reason why they brought this out at the bail hearing was exactly what I was saying. I don't think he's a danger to the general community. And that's what they were trying to bring out, that this happened because there was a robber in the neighborhood. He knew this robber to be armed. And when the victim came out of someone else's property, he assumed that this was the robber and that he had his gun. I mean, it's a stretch. But that's why this was being brought out to say that these two are not dangerous people, that this was an instance where he thought the victim was actually a perpetrator and had his gun. That is what they're trying to link together. I don't know if it was successful, but it clearly there's the Old Boys Club, which is predominantly a white club that has their friends, their buddies that help them out, and that's what that phone call was about. Is it obstruction of justice? You know, if I had a friend in law enforcement and I needed advice, I'd call them too. I don't know if it would rise to the level of obstruction of justice, but there's definitely trying to reach out to your friends.
So I do want to get into that a little bit more. We have to take another break. Again, we could be live in our new Ohio trial any minute. So stay with us here on Law and Crime. We'll be right back right after this.